Ultra premium, ultra luxury, ultra realistic, built for teachers, students, and the parents who want to see it all.
Watch this. Simply scan answer sheets, instantly detect every mark with pinpoint accuracy, annotate, stamp, and move to the next page in seconds. That's time given back to your life.
And now, something genuinely new. Hi Olivia, here is your school's own crest. It is a wake-up call with a soul. Snooze it or commit with a tap.
This is a wake-up call with a soul, and nothing else in this category has ever offered it till date.
Next, past papers. And this is usually where teachers stop and say, "Oh, this is different."
Tap in, and you've got a real, organized library of genuine C and AQA exam papers. Search by subject or paper code, filter by board or session, and tap to open.
Every great result starts the same way, not with talent, not with luck, but with preparation done right.
Now here's the part that actually changes how a student studies. Tap the split view, and the question paper and its mark scheme sit side by side in one slidable window.
Auto-check MCQs and earn certificates anywhere, even without an internet connection.
We're building relentlessly. More exam boards are coming in future updates, expanding this library into something no single app has ever offered before.
Every great lesson begins before the bell rings. Every great result begins before the exam starts.
Every teacher has stood at a whiteboard and wished it could keep up with their imagination. Royal Canvas is that whiteboard. Erase a single stroke without touching the ones around it. Import a diagram, a photocopy, a past paper TAD, and teach directly on top of it.
Flip through unlimited pages with a 2-finger swipe, rearrange them in seconds, then export the whole lesson as one beautiful PDF to send home.
No other classroom app gives a teacher a canvas this fluid, this responsive, this royal.
Understanding isn't built by reading, it's built by doing. The Practice tab hands students real working tools. Every subject becomes live.
An equation balancer that balances live, a mole calculator, a quadratic solver, even a coding sandbox where real Python and JavaScript run right there on screen.
Some ideas can only be understood by watching them move. The lab turns static science into motion. Real interactive simulations for chemistry, physics, and beyond.
No internet, no equipment, no lab coat required. A titration curve that actually curves, a reaction that actually reacts. This is the science lab that fits in a pocket.
Every subject becomes something you can touch, test, and try again.
Running a school or a tuition center is still running a business, and finance handles that side with the same premium care.
Track fees in one view. Log payment in a tap. Remind straight to WhatsApp. Effortless back office.
Marking 40 scripts used to take an evening.
The exam marking saved my number of nights, and I can enjoy now for more time with my family and friends. It not only mark and keep records, responses to provide premium analysis.
A top-notch feature and a blessing for teachers indeed. It provides the question paper and marking scheme side by side.
And for full theory papers, real examiner tools, tick and cross in true marking ink, official shorthand straight out of a real examination board's own marking conventions, benefit of the doubt, error carried forward, own figure correct, stamped directly onto the page, a modern, classic of your choosing. Every script comes back looking and marked. Exam Marking tab is the one and only app to handle all your exam, quiz, and worksheet marking. Share instantly via social apps or download as PDF.
A percentage tells you what happened. Question-wise analysis tells you why. See exactly which question the whole class struggled with, see which wrong answer they picked instead, and how many of them picked it. And class position ranks every student properly, the way a real school report should. Students tied on marks share the same rank.
This is the difference between grading a test and understanding a class.
Every note and textbook. Already organized, already indexed.
Tap once and a PDF opens instantly, last read page bookmarked.
Favorite the ones that matter. Annotate right on the page. This isn't a folder of files, it's a study companion that never forgets your place.
Progress that isn't measured is progress that's easy to lose.
Performance turns every practice session into a story, a living trend line for every subject, a gentle nudge.
Not just you got 64%, but here's what to do next. Parents see it, students feel it. Improvement becomes something you can actually watch happen.
If you've ever sat wondering if there's a better way, this is CamClass Pro Papers and Notes. And this is every screen, every tab, and every tap, so you can see exactly what you'd be getting.
This app was built for classroom teachers, for tutors juggling schools. It is for homeschool parents and students.
And for parents, the ones lying awake wondering how their child is really doing, sends beautifully designed reports, straight to WhatsApp, straight to your phone.
For Cambridge or AQA, let's open it screen by screen.
The very first thing you'll do is set up your profile. Your name, your photo, your role. Takes about 10 seconds. Here's why that matters. Your name is automatically stamped on every exam paper and report. You set it up once, they see it every single time.
Timetable is next hand, and if you've ever double booked a lesson or forgotten a fee reminder call, this tab alone is worth the tap. Add a lesson, set your start and end times, toggle repeating days, and stack as many reminders as you want on one event.
Share the whole week as a PDF or straight to WhatsApp in one tap. Add it to your home screen as a widget, and your day is visible before you even open the app.
For educators, we built the Teacher's Lounge. Attendance, tracked in a tap. Each student is thriving. A digital whiteboard for live teaching. This gives you your evenings back. This next section is the heart of the app. We call it the Teacher's Lounge, and it's genuinely an entire staff room condensed into one tile.
Open it, and you land on your dashboard. Next events, your to-do list, and a performance snapshot you can view by week, month, term, or year.
Tap attendance and select your class. Mark each student present, absent, or leave. Or choose in school but not in class. This tracks students on campus but skipping your period. Tap copy checking and mark a stack of submissions as complete, incomplete, didn't submit, absent, or on leave. A level of detail most grading apps simply don't offer. This one teachers call the Royal Canvas. Import an image or a full PDF. This is built for live online teaching. Tap Grading, select your assessment type. Enter marks, and watch percentages and grades calculate themselves.
Tap Analytics for instant charts. Attendance trends, grade distributions, class performance. Build a custom report in seconds and share it.
Now takes an evening.
For juggling institutions, Finance tab sends fee reminders, and Data Vault sync to Google Drive. Here's the truth. Most schools pay thousands for clunky software. Get CamClass Pro today for just $100. The price will rise. Don't pay full price later.
Royal Canvas, library, lab, practice, performance. A timetable with reminders that actually feel personal. Exam marking with real examiner precision, not just reports. This is Cambridge Classroom Pro.
Ultra premium, ultra luxury, ultra realistic. Built for teachers, built for students. Built for the parents who want to see it all, clearly, in one place. Nothing else in this category comes close.